We're talking about the forecast.
Yes.
We've seen crazy weather the last few days.
Yeah.
Crazy heat.
Crazy heat, crazy hail.
Yeah.
A quieter day today.
Yay.
We don't have the hail. Severe thunderstorm warning did pop out for lower Lafourche, with some thunderstorms that have been firing up right near the coast, the bayou parishes. That has really been our only rain coverage during the day today. We'll kind of take you down south a bit, where most of our activity, really all of our activity, has been so far today. Fairly decent thunderstorm kind of hovering right over Galliano. Also note, though, this little outflow boundary from those thunderstorms. We'll kind of watch that to see if that's able to maybe initialize some thunderstorms farther north with that boundary. But so far, all of our activity has been along the coastline. Severe thunderstorm warning for south of La Rose, really over the Galliano area along LA1. So just be mindful down in this area. Strong gusty winds. There was some indications, maybe some slight rotation. So if over the water, could easily spark a water spout down along the coastline. Otherwise, most of us, Mississippi, much of southeast Louisiana, has been under plenty of sunshine all day today. And our model indicating really all of the rain development will be along the coastline throughout the night. And that should start to wind down through the overnight. 93 was our high today. 91 is our normal. As a matter of fact, we're kind of right in between the record and the normal for this time of year. At least this is closer to more seasonal temperatures for, as we said, the first day of summer. Plenty of sunshine and just some low cumulus. 91 is our current temperature, with a dew point of 74, though. It feels like 100. And while that is hot, that is more normal for this time of year. So we're not in the excessive heat, but that may be coming back, unfortunately, as we head toward next week. Temperatures at the moment across most of the area in the 90s, but a little bit of rain-cooled air with some of those thunderstorms near Homa at 86, and the heat index well into the upper 90s or triple digits once again today. Now, we are in kind of between upper systems. The upper high that had kept us so hot for so long, that has shifted a little bit more to the west. You can see where that is. We have been more under the influence of this upper low, kind of a broad upper trough. At times, these little disturbances kind of caught in between are able to move south. That's kind of what helped to trigger our rain chances over the last couple of days, and may do so again tomorrow. Models, though, a little bit more aggressive with rainfall offshore tomorrow, but I'll keep about a 40 to 50% chance during the day. Now, this pattern will continue into the start of the weekend. That doesn't look like any other little upper features moving our way, but at least slightly better rain chances, because by the end of the weekend and next week, the upper high starts building over us, and that means our rain chances decrease and those temperatures come up. So we are looking at more of the mid to upper 90 temperatures to return to the area. Now, underneath that upper trough, quite a bit of rainfall across most of the eastern part of the nation, and even within that upper high, or at least on the outer periphery, you are still able to get some disturbances and at times some severe weather. In between, though, we've been fairly quiet with a little boundary right along the coastline, really our only chance for some showers, and those rain chances will be coming to an end. As we head into the day tomorrow, about a 40-50% chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms. It looks like maybe rain chances a little bit better tomorrow, thanks to an upper disturbance moving through. Then as we head toward Friday, Saturday, rain chances more of our typical pop-up shower variety at around 30%. A couple of systems that we're watching out in the tropics. We have Brett, which is look a little bit stronger. Hurricane hunters have actually been investigating that, as well as Invest 93. Hurricane Center has been giving it more of a high percent chance of developing. Next name up would be Cindy. And also note that we still have these little waves coming off of Africa. You get about 60 plus waves that actually move off of Africa, and a very small percentage of those actually develop into anything. What's unusual is that we're already seeing those African waves. One developed into Tropical Storm Brett. Again, the thinking has not changed. Still has an opportunity for maybe a little bit more intensification before it moves into the Caribbean, where the environment is very hostile and the storm will weaken. It will actually dissipate altogether. And that has been the trend for the Euro really since day one. The Euro had been the model keeping this moving to the west and then dissipating over strong wind shear. So great news for that one. And then Invest 93, again, if it's able to become Cindy, it looks like this too will stay out over the open waters, or I should say this too will not affect us staying out over the open water, as most of the model guidance with this system, which is looking a little bit better organized now, may be well on its way to becoming either TD4 or Cindy shortly. Models, though, keeping that away from land altogether. So great news out in the tropics, and at least our weather locally has settled down a bit. 40-50% chance for some storms during the day tomorrow. More of the pop-up normal variety Friday, Saturday, with the upper ridge building in. We're drier and hotter heading into next week.